I'm not sure if this is the right place to unbox, but I think you're gonna see, man, guys. Okay, the first item, guys, it's your girl Ochudicula, Ochudisa girl, and I am back with another super dope video, guys. Today it's my birthday. Your girl iyazalwa ke sana. So guys, spend a day with me as I'm gonna be busy. So bengimatasa, guys. Yes, I know, guys, I did not take you along when I was going to do my nails, when I'm going to install, when I was doing my makeup and all those type of things. And in Kotlwanga, guys, it was mainly because of time. The time was not on my side, guys. At this point, I admit it's water and oil, guys. Anyway, guys, please don't move. Don't move. I hope you did not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, guys. Let's go. As bras finally
oh uzomayinela ngomso
uthi kwafanele bavalo sindimthathi lezo small kule yasetim
sizutile lelokho kakhulu not kancinci
kuthi small ngena
sasa uzophuma
I'm only human, so big nobody but I'm say I carry woman. Say na man made up for carry, fuck all the rumors. And he said when I talk say I be pastor.
Because lighting I see. Oh, lighting ibisengase right ngase sonqeni basobane lighting engekho right.
iPhone i
ifuna ilanga iPhone vanosi why antase ku late mayiqhawuke inhloko endodeni ithi umqala ibe ngathi ngokakhwela manzi sani ibe ngathi ngowejirafa ethi ufuna ubona uba ngubani lonuka kamnandi kubani lo unesense kubani lo unuka so sweet and welcoming and homely and warm guys masingabahemisi mabangaphumli bophumle ecebo lethu guys mabangaphumli makucaca uba kudlule wena isingqi sakho isandi sakho masivakale mntase unganyonyobi ungabi nginicotine isandi sakho masivakale ubona ukuthi ngizokuncenga guys kulethi ngoku umuntu uzawuncengwa ngunyoko umuntu uzawuncengwa ngunyoko not isithi noma kithi ehotele oyi ehotele
situation in front of us, and I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way, no drama involved. But if you feel it's me, if you feel I'm the one, it's gonna need a makeover for me to see. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. I know you're the one, I know our time will come. I feel it in my heart, I see you in my dreams, I keep you in my head.
guys usathana kodwa usathana guys no not my daughter ke sana elahle isikhiya sasikhangela inhloko zaqhekeka guys more than an hour sikhangela isikhiya singazitholi. So anyway ke guys sahamba sawenza makeup and then shoot straight to into photo shooting, and then after photo shooting we went to grab some food, and then now we are at the venue guys. We are at the venue. We just checked in. I think the time now is around 10 yeah. 3 minutes to 10 guys ne. So bocabanga ukuthi siyalala noma siyojiva, siyalala noma siyojiva, siyojiva guys ne. But before we leave guys, I have this present to unbox guys ne. So I'll just quickly do this unboxing of this present and then we head straight to umjivo guys. You know what we're gonna be doing? We will be hopping from one entertainment place to another guys till we find what we are looking for.
To sleep.
Solale cebo lethu guys, solale cebo lethu. If wena at this point uyalala, ndiyakujaja. Hayi ndiyakujaja mntase, ayikho elalisayo. It's a Saturday for that matter. Kulalwa ecebo lethu. Not any other place besides ecebo lethu. let me not waste any of your time, guys. Let me just unbox. I hope you did like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel, guys. At this point, if awukaka share content yam, if awu like man ngicela ubu like, if awu comment man ngicela ba ucomment, I don't know heal. It has been confirmed unohili sana, unohili andifuna ukungatsho. Anyway guys, let us unbox. Don't forget ukuxelela nomakhelwane ba mabasubscribe apha sana kune channel epopayo, kune channel ka Cuticula guys. And the next week ngizokwenza enye futhi i-video, because remember we said we need to hit 4,000 watch hour, guys. So keep on watching these videos and you will see the shock of your life, Gesana. Let us unbox. Very important ke guys ukuthi fafafa nasenhloko ukwenze ba uzothi xa ugqithe ukuthi fa into yanuka kamandi kanjani.
Ubuyilinganisile?
Nindi siliba sekanga ngicimba ivili
Ring.
andishowa iring ndaba.
Sonke sasishoba ke. Kumhlazo wash
Yakhe ngidinga iwash. Guys, siyahamba ngoku, siyahamba sana. We are living. Let's do OOTD, ne? On my
you can start.
Okay, on my side, guys, I am wearing a necklace. Yes, small street. Guys, I am wearing this t-shirt, guys. Let me show you this t-shirt. I'm wearing this t-shirt, and also I am also wearing and yes guys, ndinxibe nale nto kodwa niyayibona, and then ndanxiba neeteki zam sana zodumo ke zaseNike nazi, and then ndenza inwele yezam, ndathi makeup ke sana, and then I'm also carrying my new bag, guys. Nansi new bag yam, and then ayinakwanto guys, qhaf le new bag. Then this is my new bag, and then ndafaka iwash yam entsha rhaca. So yeah guys, let's go guys, siyobangena. And then I'm also carrying this. Let me show you. Let me try to adjust here. Yes, so I'm also carrying this you don't hear jacket, is it a jacket? Jersey. Yeah, this jersey. Sweater. Okay, yeah, the sweater. I'm also carrying this sweater, guys, for band. The aim, guys, is not to come back. The aim is not to go back home, guys. The aim is to party till we party, till the morning, till the sun comes out, guys, till uJesu abuye. Whoa, yeah, perfume. Oh, we are not bathing, please. Do not bath.
Scent of the day.
So yes, the OOTD spaces here.
Okay guys, my OOTD, I'm wearing this crop top from Legit, necklace from Legit, bracelet. I bought it at Dragon City, and then you watch. I just
looted.
I just hijacked it just now. And then the shorts are from Small Street, and then shoes, I'll wear my Nike Techies, but you'll see like as the vlog goes on.
Yes, Sparta, ne?
Yeah.
When we are partying, let's chase
Let
it.
the party begin. Boom, boom, boom.
This swabe on your behalf. And these are not my teaching, guys. These are not my teachings, guys. Guys, this descent. Please, guys. Let's do the cheers and we
The
go.
aim. What's the aim for today?
Good morning, guys. Yo, guys, if the groovist was a person, guys, hey guys, hi, the groovile into andifuna ukungatsho. We came back today around 4 or 5. Yeah, we came back around 4 or 5. I am so tired, very exhausted, guys. My niece didn't want to wake up. Did you go? So guys, I had to nimgalele ngamanzi uze yabe uyavuka, otherwise inoba ngesaba udonsa sana ubuthongo and i-check out time seyizofika ke sana. So right now, guys, we just bathed, we are fresh. Now I think we're gonna be looking for a restaurant. What we have in mind is Solo and also Tang. So we're not sure where we're gonna go. And we were also in like craving for breakfast, so we're also considering Spe or Wimpine. Yeah, we're also considering those. So guys, to find out uba sidesa decide uba siyapi, don't move, unganyakazi mntase, stick with us and you will find out nice things. So we are currently leaving, guys, right now. The time is around, what is the time? It's past 10, ne? Oh guys, let me check it on my new watch, guys. It's in the jonge watch. I'm brand new from the box. It's 10:15, guys. It's already past 10. So yeah, guys, let me just quickly show you our outfit of the day. I think today we're not gonna do any activities besides going for lunch. No, it's not even lunch. We are going for breakfast, and then after breakfast we're heading straight home, guys. In Sinda, we want to sleep. So yeah, guys, let me quickly show you the outfit of the day, guys. Let me quickly show you. It is that new dress, the new dress, guys. It is the new dress. So I'll be wearing this dress, guys, and also I'll also be wearing these takis. And then I can't decide on the bag. I'm thinking of carrying this bag, guys. Which one do you think matches perfect? Is it this one? Must I carry this one, or must I rather carry this one, guys? The new one as well, guys. This one is a new one, so it's my new bag as well. So which one, guys? Which, guys? Now I love new things, but I think this one, it matches way too better than this one. It is perfect, this one, guys. What do you think? What do you think, guys? I wish, guys, you can just answer me now. I so wish you can just answer me now, guys. I forgot to show you ne ngithenge isticker sethathu. Let me show you fast because ndinemlenze emihle, guys. I can't hide. I just cannot hide it. Guys, ndingabe ndenze bulungiswa sana xa ndinganifihlela le milenze mihle kangaka. hayi ndingaba ndenza ubulungiswa guys, ndingaqunjelwa nanguThixo uba hayi sana ndithi mandikuzame abanye ndibathe ezingcondo ugqiba kwakho wena ufihle le milenze mihle kangaka. Hayi shem guys, no, ndinibonisa because I feel so guilty uba uThixo ngaphoxeka guys sana, because bakhona bayixakekeleyo le milenze guys, but wadecide winika mna. I am grateful for le milenze guys, I am grateful. Nansi ithathu guys, sendilibele noba bendinibonisa ithathu thi ndinibonisa nansi yes stickers guys, yebo ayisentle guys. Let me quickly go guys, let me go. Masambeni guys, masambeni guys. Ukuba i-content creator, it's a job guys, it's a job. No one can tell me otherwise. It is a job guys. Do you know ukuthi ndivuke early kangakanani just to make content ye TikTok? Imagine TikTok content guys. Niyamazi lamfana kuthiwa nguNtokozo kwamfana, so I made that guys. Please do watch it guys, and also do follow me on other social platforms guys. I also have Facebook, I also have TikTok guys, I also have Instagram. On Instagram and also Facebook, I'm Siya Qhinga. Qhinga is Qinga. I'll also write it here. And then on TikTok guys, I'm big on TikTok. I am big. If I say I'm big guys. I'm going on 60k subscribers guys on TikTok, ne? So please also check me there. On TikTok, I'm same as here on YouTube. I am Life with Siya on TikTok. Guys, please, it's very funny. Just go and watch it. Manobukela la video ndiyenze nguNtokozo kwamfana. Yo, andisalot instead of ndihambe. Bye bye guys. Love you.
situation in front of us. And I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel it's me, if you I'm the one, it's gonna need a miracle for me to see. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time will come to the end, I'ma always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time will come to the end, I'ma always be right by your side. I know.
Hey guys, it's bye. Guys, this is the end of our vlog. This is the end of our weekend. Our weekend, guys, it was 10 out of 10 minus nothing, baby. What do you think?
But guys, we're tired. Yo, I can't even talk. We're tired. We did a lot.
Guys, we really enjoyed, guys. We really enjoyed. At this point, you see Puma Esentini. We are going home, guys, and we are going to just sleep. That's one thing that I can guarantee, that we're gonna sleep. And guess what? Guys, so right now we are just looking for that place, and then we are going straight to sleep, guys. This was the best experience, guys. If you could ask me, I would do this over and over and over again, guys. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. This was my dream birthday. Guys, Sipuma Elandugan, Sipuma Bosch. Sipuma Etang, guys, ne? So, hey guys, Sikubekile. Sikubekile, guys, not us being offered Gesana Ilanduga.
The situation in front of us, and I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel it's me, if you I'm the one, it's gonna need a miracle for me to see. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time will come to the end, I'ma always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time will come to the end, I'ma always be right by your side. I know you're the one, I know our time will come. I feel it in my heart, I see you in my dreams, I keep you in my prayers.
She want this, she got this, she no fit control them, yeah. She dancing, she wind it, she make me want give her body, back shots, body, give her body, back shots, body, give her body, back shots, body. Oh, 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 oh.
She the way I jump for NYC. Big girl, she carry the best I see. Steady, ready, the assassin. Sweet in my belly, you're like a guy. Something jelly. Eggplant emoji. So trained when I slide it. Now she watching me like telly. Sensational. Waiting for you.
I'll take it time. We confronted the situation in front of us. And I think it's time. We talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand. And I'll be out your way. No drama involved. But if you